Billy Fury. You're kidding. You mean there's a guy walking around with a name like that and he doesn't mind?
Well, I think he's the greatest.
Play it cool, baby. Play it cool. Don't forget that golden rule. Now we're flying high, way up in the sky. Come on, play it cool. I'll play it.
There's Ron Wycherley, 17, known to his fans as Billy Fury.
Billy is nice and friendly, and Fury is a little bit ferocious, so gives him the mean streak.
He would walk onto the stage, and it was electrifying. Everything, you know, he'd just become Billy.
All these young aspiring kids in the rock and roll era, they just wanted to perform. You know, if someone came along and said, we're going to put you on 6-5 special, you'd sign your life away.
I love you, babe. I really care. I need your love. So you...
That look in his eye, confidence, but yet like a little lost boy. You wanted to just wrap him up and take him home.
The doctor said, do you know that he smokes marijuana? He said, if he doesn't and if he stops, he will die. It's keeping him alive. His light had gone out round him, you know. I knew he was on his way.
People will ask, who was this fella? And of course he was the greatest British rock and roll star, maybe the only British rock and roll star.